Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using these services. In this video, we're tackling the Fifth Third Bank versus Ally Bank debate, which one comes out on top. We'll compare these two banking options to help you decide which best aligns with your financial goals. For more in-depth information, check out the links in the description. Let's dive in and explore what each bank brings to the table. Fifth Third Bank is a well-established regional bank offering a comprehensive suite of services catering to both individual and business needs. With an extensive network of over 1,100 branches spread across the United States, Fifth Third provides a full spectrum of financial products, including checking accounts, savings accounts, credit cards, mortgages, auto loans, and investment services. This makes them a great option for customers who value face-to-face banking and require access to local branches, as well as those seeking a one-stop shop for all their financial needs. Fifth Third also offers the convenience of digital banking through their mobile app and online banking platform, allowing you to manage your finances with ease while still having the support of physical locations. Ally Bank, in contrast, is a completely online banking institution. They specialize in providing digital banking services with an emphasis on competitive interest rates and customer-focused features. Without the overhead of physical branches, Ally can pass on the savings to its customers through higher interest rates on savings accounts, certificates of deposit, CDS, and loans. Ally offers a streamlined and intuitive user experience if you're comfortable managing your finances digitally. With 24/7 customer support, a robust mobile banking app, and tools for everything from personal loans to auto financing, Ally is designed for convenience. Their low fees, readily accessible digital tools, and high-yield savings accounts make them a compelling choice for savers and digitally focused individuals looking to maximize their financial growth while minimizing costs. To recap, Fifth Third Bank is an excellent choice for those who prioritize in-person banking and require a full-service bank offering both personal and business solutions. Ally Bank, on the other hand, is a perfect fit for tech-savvy individuals who prefer the convenience and higher interest rates of online banking. Be sure to check the description below for additional details and links to help you decide which bank is the best fit for your unique financial situation.